Tito Pugay, ginukulangan eh. Lahat sa paro ka, papagulang. Oh, Carter! Pusket isa! Oh! Naku, mukhang may nasiraan pa. Oh, Marshall! Diga ko baby! Natitins na. Gusto maghabol eh. Okay. Breaking news to this 23 stop. Before the Nationals will be an open motor. Wow, matik na mag-triple doon ah. Nanalo daw ang jamin sa roar. Roar, ano ba? Dito ba yun? Roar? Oh, Marshall! Okay, long stage of the double single. Oh, another one! Back to back, misses! Medyo nagago talaga si Papa Alex. Mukhang hot na hot. Ayan na, wow! Bakit ka naman tuloy na tanong kay Alex? Pang nasi humataw eh. Oh! Stop! Galing yung landing. Okay na! Ito din naman! Okay, after 2.5 minutes, we rotate on top. 30 seconds. Stop! Third, Alan, fourth. Lap. Puro nagkapalit-palit ano after the last lap. Alan is now last. Alan is second to the last. Alan is third to the last. Lieutenant Berkeley is up in the 1-2-3 order. Okay, Berkeley now challenging Rodel for the lead. Okay. Oh, Saka. Oh, Berkeley. Really after rear end. Top Rodel. Now, Berkeley having a good view at the tail. Come and go. Pag ito ang tatangin mo, pag ito ang todo. Huwag yung nudge. Ito naman. Kill. 1-2. Give way. Give way lang ha, Tony. Pag kumain yung dalawa. Ayaw. Ayaw pa naman, Tony. Sige. Ayaw. Ayaw daw, sabi Tony. Oh, sige na. Ayaw. Hindi na nagkamali. Bumawi naman. Tumapo. Oh. Paras. Oh, may bakaswerte. In the name of Kapitaki, Ken, Kita. 1 minute to go. Oh, 1 minute to go. Still in a fight for first and second. Rodel. Let's see who will make a mistake on this flow. A nice move there. Back. Rodel again. Taking the now. Naunahin. Okay. Last 40 seconds. Puro banggaan ng banggaan eh. Dapat clean pass, Papa Bert. Hindi pwede bangga.
Yes, pare.
Yan! Saan kasi yung sabi ko eh. Another one na inside. Yan. Watch this one. Oh, sako. Yan, tuloy. Ayan! Siya pang baga. Kumami. Ayan! At yung Misha Sven, bogla. Malakit sa pula. Tapos yung kwan.
Parang kayo nabibilyar ah.
Last 3 seconds. So, this will be your last lap. Okay.
Please finish the lap you're on.
You're done.
Nice, Docs.